Have you ever wondered what happens to someone's belongings and property after they pass away, and how everything gets to the right people? It can seem like a complicated process, but with the right preparation and understanding, it does not have to be. When it comes to distributing estate assets, several key documents are absolutely essential to ensure a smooth and legally compliant process. The primary documents you will need are the deceased person's last will and testament, or if there is no will, court documents proving intestacy, a certified copy of the death certificate, and proof of identification for all beneficiaries. These documents are critical because they establish legal authority and ensure that the deceased wishes, or state law, are correctly followed. The last will and testament legally specifies who inherits which assets and often names an executor to manage the distribution. Without a will, state intestacy laws dictate how assets are divided, which typically requires court intervention and documentation. The death certificate officially confirms the passing, which is required by financial institutions and other entities to release assets. Identifying beneficiaries protects against fraud and ensures the assets go to the intended recipients. To gather and utilize these documents, begin by locating the original last will and testament, if one exists, and contacting the appropriate probate court to initiate the estate administration process. You will need to obtain multiple certified copies of the death certificate, as many institutions will requiring their own copies. Ensure you have clear identification for all beneficiaries, such as a driver's license or passport, to verify their identities during asset transfers. An often overlooked but vital detail involves understanding specific asset titles and beneficiary designations. Assets like life insurance policies, retirement accounts, and certain bank accounts might have their own named beneficiaries, which means they bypass the will and probate process entirely. For real estate, ensuring clear deeds and titles are in order is paramount, often requiring updated property records and transfer documents. Confirming all these details early can prevent significant delays and complications. Ultimately, having the correct and complete documentation in place provides clarity, legal protection, and peace of mind during a challenging time. It ensures that the legacy of your loved one is honored exactly as intended, preventing disputes and allowing for an efficient transfer of assets to those who are meant to receive them, streamlining what could otherwise be a confusing and lengthy endeavor.